Hi everyone, I want to present this week's tip of the week with Class Dojo. So I want to show you how to pull custom reports for students' progress for positive and negative dojo points. So I've gone into a class here. I'll go into Mr. Booker's class, and then within Mr. Booker's class I'm in the classroom tab, and if I click options and click view reports, you will see this week, since we didn't have school, there are no positives. But I can also hit the drop down and I can select custom reports for a certain day of the week, an entire month, or I can do a custom date range. So what we do for our SOAR rewards, we'll do a custom date range. So let's say that I want to pull a report from November 5th to November 23rd. I select those dates. It gives me this nice ring so I can see. And this is for the whole class. I can also select for individual students. But an easy way to get a breakdown of your individual students is to click the View Spreadsheet, and it will download everything into an Excel spreadsheet, and it'll give me all the students' names, and I see the percentage positive as well, and down here on this side. And I can also see where my students are struggling or are succeeding within our individual SOAR categories. So that is a quick rundown of how to utilize the tool on Class Dojo to look at student reports.